Recording in progress.
Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, feel the edges of your body soften, not disappear, but become living membranes. Feel the base of your spine, your tailbone. Let it rest into the earth. Now imagine a wide bowl of crystalline stillness forming beneath you, like a mirror made of memory, holding the original tone of belonging. This is your ground. It remembers. Bring your awareness now to your bones, your skull, your ribs, your spine. These are not just structures. They are receivers. Say gently in your heart, you are allowed to hold more of me now. Breathe. Now feel the top of your head, your crown, not opening up, but realigning with the firmament above, not as an escape, but as a mirror. Above you, not sky, not concept, but a dome of coherence, a containment of truth, a crystalline canopy of remembrance. It does not pressure you. It does not pull. It simply resonates until your own field begins to reorganize in harmony. Say gently, I allow the true firmament to reflect into me. I allow my soul to return into a safe, living body. Breathe. Now feel the edges of your field, the boundary where your presence meets the world. Let that edge be woven, not armored, not broken, but held in soft structure. Say, I revoke all agreements with mimicry. I release all binding to synthetic containment. I remember who I am beneath the overlays. Feel what returns to you. not come in words, but in warmth, breath, stillness, or subtle tone. Let it land. Place one more hand on your chest and one on your lower belly. Breathe once more through the bones. Say, it is safe to be whole again. Rest as long as needed.